Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And what we are learning today is changing the case, changing the case of a particular word or a list of a name, or it could be sentence or it could be paragraph, anything that is in Excel with the help of a formula. Um, so see what data we have over here. We have this list of a name which is in different cases, and we want them in three cases, that is lower, upper, and proper case. And how we do it, first we can do in a very orthodox method that could is as this is in a lower case, so we can already copy paste, we can copy paste it over here directly like this. We want in upper, we will do manually like this, and for proper we do like this. Proper is something where your first letter of the word is in uppercase and followed by the lowercase, so which is actually a proper. So this is how we can do one way, or we can use a formula and have this change. So let's see how we will do it. For lowercase, we will use what this formula lower. Select this. This is already in a lowercase, so there will be no change. We'll copy and drag it till down. Here you see we get every this all has been changed to lowercase. We do require it in some cases, but not in the most of the cases. Yeah. Now we want in uppercase. We'll write upper. We'll select the text. You see this got changed into upper. And again drag it down. For a main formula, what we'll do is we'll do a special. Remove the values, and for proper case we'll do use this formula called proper. You again remove the values by doing paste special values. Yep, here you see how the data gets changed by using we can get a desired result by using this formula and not doing it manually. Thank you friends for watching. Please do subscribe and like. Thank you.